Train your brain with 4x4 Sudoku. Rules for this interesting puzzle. 4 sets of numbers 1 to 4. 4 sets, 4 empty boxes. Rules. Write the numbers in boxes so that point number 1, each box to contain the numbers 1 to 4. Point number 2, each row and column to contain the numbers 1 to 4. Point number 3, a number to be used once only in any row, column and box. Point number 4, some colored boxes to contain only odd numbers. Example, each box to contain the numbers 1 to 4. Each row to contain the numbers 1 to 4. Each row and column to contain the numbers 1 to 4. Odd numbers in colored boxes. Numbers 1 to 4 in each row. Numbers 1 to 4 in each column. Numbers 1 to 4 in each box. Odd numbers in colored boxes. Now get ready to solve a 4x4 Sudoku. Take a paper and pencil. Your turn. Complete this Sudoku on paper. Few numbers in places are given. Places for odd numbers are shown. If you are able to solve this puzzle, you are eligible for our computational thinking class.